What is the history of virtual machines in operating systems? Imagine a world where one computer can act like many different computers at once. That's what virtual machines do, and their story is quite fascinating. Back in the 1960s, IBM was leading the way with mainframe computers. They created systems called CP40 and CP67 that let multiple users share one big computer. This was the start of virtual machines, even if they didn't call them that back then. It was all about sharing resources efficiently. In the 1970s, IBM made a big step with VM/370. This system let different operating systems run on one mainframe, each in its own virtual space. It was like having several computers inside one. During this time, virtual memory also became popular. It let computers use part of the hard drive as extra RAM, making systems more flexible. As personal computers became more common in the 1980s and 1990s, virtualization moved from big mainframes to smaller, personal machines. Companies started creating software that allowed users to run different operating systems on their own computers. This was a game changer because it meant you could test Windows, Linux, or other systems without needing separate hardware. The 2000s brought a new era with the rise of cloud computing. Companies like VMware introduced products like ESX, which let many virtual machines run on a single server. This helped businesses save money by reducing the number of physical servers they needed. Cloud platforms like Amazon Web Services used virtualization to give users scalable computing power. Recently, virtualization has continued to evolve with containers and hardware-assisted virtualization. Containers are lightweight and share the host operating system, making them faster and easier to use. Hardware-assisted virtualization uses special features in Intel and AMD processors to improve performance, allowing virtual machines to run more smoothly. Today, virtual machines are used everywhere. They help developers test software across different systems, allow companies to run many servers on one physical machine, and keep sensitive data isolated for security. When setting up an operating system in a virtual machine, you can install multiple systems on one computer, making it flexible and efficient. From the early days of mainframes to the cloud and containers, virtual machines have grown into a vital part of how we manage and use computers today. Their history shows how technology keeps evolving to make computing more flexible and powerful.